Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I'm here with a Amazon fresh grocery haul. I'm gonna make this as quick as I can because I have other stuff I gotta get done. So I'm gonna start off with what I got the kids for school. I got two different types of meatballs because I forgot I had already had one in my cart. So I just now have 2 bags of it, which is fine. I got jumbo fish sticks for my kids. So we're gonna do this for dinner. I got me some Beyond meatballs, 2 things of Kiwi, and 2 things of strawberry because these go fast in the house. I got some onion rings I'm gonna try. And then I got myself a thing of the Amy's soup, Thai coconut. And then I got me some onion powder and cilantro leaves. There's 2 boxes of this Amy's pad thai. This ginger garlic stir fry kit. This is actually pretty good with rice. 2 things of broccoli. I gotta freeze them. A thing of string cheese and a cucumber. So that is it for my haul. I know this is very short, but thanks for watching. Bye.